Hi guys, it's your boy Nice Henry again, and today I'm here with another video. We're gonna review the trades we took in the course of the week, and then hopefully we're gonna be able to learn one or two things from there. A quick disclaimer before we get started: this is not a financial advice. It is only for educational purposes only. Trading can be very risky. Make sure you do your due diligence before you decide to invest your money. Do not invest whatever you cannot afford to lose, because trading can be very risky. So if you like our videos, make sure you click that like button. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you can get more updated content from us. Make sure you comment, and I will try to respond to your comments. Okay guys, just try as much as you can to subscribe so that we can be able to bring you more valuable content like this in the future. So today we are going to be looking at the trade that we took in the course of the week, and I want you to pay attention. We started with gold, and in the previous week the market had been falling, so we've been in a downtrend. This was the previous week. Some of the trades we got in the last week, you can see them, and then this week the market have been falling, and Monday the market fell and created this low, and then it worked its way down to this high and created the high. Meanwhile, there's a resistance here. There's a resistance level here, and the market tried to break above it twice but couldn't. When it failed to break above it the second time, we took that short trade to the downside and targeted that low from where the move started from, and we caught that nice 1:3.72 trade without stress. So, and the market created a W pattern and then worked its way back up again to that resistance and tried to break it again, but it couldn't, and then the market fell, and we caught that nice 1:3.67 trade. That was what we targeted, but I think we got about 1:2.5 trade before the market started to. It was so late, and then we had to close our positions. For some people held theirs until the middle of the night, and the market actually gave them the complete risk to reward, and then it formed a W pattern, and then the market worked its way back. But before then, the market have already cleared everyone that had a stop below Monday's low. Everybody was cleared out, and this was a new low, and the market formed a W pattern and worked its way back up, and we caught that nice 1:1. It's a 4.43 trades right there, and then you can see the market worked its way to the high from a swing point from Friday. You can see the swing point from Friday. The market worked its way to the high and cleared the high from Friday, and then from there the markets begin to fall, only to use this resistance or support as a reference point to continue the move to the upside. And we targeted a move to the resistance, but the market could not get that far. It actually did about 1:2, and then went into consolidation, and we closed the trade. Now what's happened here is that the market have already gone in. This was a peak formation. That's what happened here. The market was creating a peak. This was a peak. The market have been in if you look at the big picture, the market is in a downtrend, and now we have our peak formation, and now the market's about to reverse. The moment the market broke up above this resistance level here, that was the signal that we are now officially in an uptrend. As you can see, the market have already started the uptrend, and we are looking for more opportunities to trade it to the upside. I was actually looking at this level on Friday. If the market was going to pull back into this level, stop on people to the downside for a move to the upside, but I don't think it was going to be able to break this higher time frame resistance, because it's going to take a lot of momentum, a lot of energy to break it, and it's going to need a lot of money. So I knew that, and there was no news on Friday. There was no significant news on Friday to facilitate the move that could break that resistance. So hopefully by next week we're going to be able to see that break, and we're going to see that move to the upside. So that's it. And then on NASDAQ, same thing happened. The market have been in a downtrend. We've been in this downtrend for a long time, and the market have been falling. As you can see, the market have been falling seriously. We traded in this range, and on Friday the market also break this level, continued that fall. On Thursday, I think Thursday and Friday, the market fell, and then in this week the market created this low When he created this low, he walked his way to, and there's a resistance here also. The market tried to break it but couldn't. But before he broke it, we already caught this nice short scalp to the upside when we targeted that level, because we knew that the market was definitely going to go back to that level, kicking out everybody that has stop above these levels. Everybody that have stop above, everybody that bought these shorts, took this trade here to go down, nobody gets a free lunch. Everybody has to be taken out at some point, so the market had to take them out. So I targeted this level and we got that nice trade, and then the market fell, and the next day again the market walked its way to that level again, to the previous day high again, going into consolidation, and then we caught that nice 1:6.21 trades there. Nice trade, beautiful trade we caught right there. And then the next day, look at what happened. The market opened near the middle, and then it walked away down, taking out everybody that had a position, an open position here, kicking out everybody. Like I said before, nobody gets a free lunch. Nobody gets a free lunch. So if you didn't take profit, they're going to kick you out, and then the market's going to continue. And look at it, the market went back up, and I took my profit at this resistance, but after that the market continued up and opened near the high. And then what happened? The market created this channel, and the market broke out of the channel, went into and gave us this nice M pattern, and then the market fell and gave us this nice 1:2.08 trades there. And again, look at it again, the market kicked out everybody that had stopped below this point that didn't take profit. If nobody gets a free lunch, the market took everybody, created the new low again. And then on Friday we couldn't find any good trade on Friday, so we didn't take any trade. And same thing happened again on the GBPUSD. The market was in a downtrend again, created this low on Monday, and then created this high, formed a nice consolidation, broke out, and then to the upside, got to this resistance, couldn't break the resistance, the market fell, and then the market opened near the middle and then walked its way to the high, and then we took this nice short trade. We went short on GBPUSD and targeted the low from Monday, but guess what? The market did not go all the way down to the low. It just gave us only take profit one, and then the next day the market continued down. So but we already took our profit, because we're day traders and we take profits that same day. And the next day I was hoping that the market was going to give us that low, but no, the market didn't. Instead the market continued and even broke that resistance. When it broke that resistance, and I knew that okay, we're officially now in an uptrend. So the next day the market gave us a second chance trade, a continuation trade here, using this support as the entry, faking out a lot of people like it was going to go down, break, and retest trader was jumping in to short this trade, only for the market to reverse, giving us a W pattern, and then we went to the upside. And then on Friday we took this short sell to have a little correction before the market continued to the upside, but it didn't happen. So I think that the market is going to continue by Monday to this level, and then we can even see this resistance before we see that shorts, before we see that correction that we're talking about. So, and also on EURUSD, we also caught a nice trade on EURUSD. Like I said, we've also been in a downtrend and we're catching almost a lot of moves. And then on Monday the market created this low. Because of the consolidation, we didn't take much trade on Monday and Tuesday on EURUSD. The consolidation was small, but on Wednesday, when we saw that this low from Monday had been taken out, we took this nice, and then we saw this consolidation, and after the breakout we took this nice trade and got a nice trade of 1:5.8 risk to reward trade ratio trade right there. And the next day we also caught this nice second chance trade, and then we got about a 1:4, 1:5 there trade right there on EURUSD. We got this nice second chance or trend continuation trade right there. And on Friday we also got this nice short move, and where we targeted that correction. It happened to an extent, and then it formed the W pattern for a move to the upside, and then we took profit. So this week has been awesome, and you can see we traded from the levels like we always do. We don't base our trading information based on the levels, no, or based on the indicators, no. We are looking at the levels, we are looking at the higher time frame support and resistance levels, we are looking at the higher time frame trend line, if there's any. We are looking at the weekly high and low. We are looking at the opening and closing price, previous day opening and closing price, the current day opening price. All these things are the things that we're looking at to make our trading decision. So then we want to see, back it up with some price action, and then we take that trade and we get a good trade right there. So guys, what we've done in Millionaires FX is that we've simplified trading, make it very easy for you to be able to catch most of these moves. Trading is easy, like I said, if you just have the right mindset, if you know what you're doing in the market, if you know what you're looking for in the market. When we're trading in a range, we are looking to trade from the previous, from the levels, from the highs and the lows of the week and of the previous days or previous weeks. So, but when we start to trend, we are looking for trend continuation trades, and this is something that you need to understand. If you understand it, you can actually trade in any market. Same principle happens every day. So once again, I want to give a big shout out to Stacy Box from Stacy Box Trading. He gave me the core of my trading technique, but right now we've actually refined this technique into something that is extraordinarily accurate. The accuracy is crazy, and then we have this great trades every week, back to back. Every week, back to back, we have this great trade, and we are so happy because the result is amazing, and it is getting better every week. It's getting better every week. So guys, if you don't have if you're a new big trader and you're struggling, you want to consider joining Millionaires FX, you can join our free Discord. The link is there on the description. You can join our free Telegram. The link is also there on the description. Once again, I want you to give a thumbs up to this video if you find it interesting. I want you to also give us drop a comment. Okay guys, drop a comment so that we can actually look at the things you're struggling with and find a way to be able to help you. I want to see you on the next video. I hope that you're going to be successful in your trading week next week. Peace out guys. See you on the next one. Bye.